Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the only way to make it in real estate. Don't believe all these people online that haven't sold a damn thing preaching.
Can I get an amen?
I'm about to give you the real truth on how to make it in this real estate game. Let's go.
Now tuned into the motherfucking greatest.
The champ is here! The champ is here!
On the TV, mama. I'm unbeatable, y'all. Let's go.
There aren't many people that I know that have made more phone calls than me, knocked on more doors than I have over the last 10 years.
Let's see your talent.
But how much of it is really talent versus just hard work and hustle? Because that is the secret sauce. The secret sauce is hustle and consistency. Most people stay looking for the secret sauce, the next best way of doing something, the next shiny object, because they're trying to avoid hard work. I can't relate to things being handed to me because they weren't. I had to work for everything. So unless you're a breastfed agent that had everything handed to you from your mommy's real estate business, or you're surviving off company leads, the real way to make it is finding out how to get those leads on your own and grinding on a daily basis to produce those leads and generate those leads. So if you do these two things, you will make it in real estate. One, this video is being brought to you by Silver Oaks Property Management. If you have a rental property and you want them to handle everything so you don't have to for affordable pricing, reach out to them today. Their contact email should be on the screen, or you can visit their website, which should be in the description. Silver Oaks Property Management. So if you do these two things, you will make it in real estate. Number one, hard work and hustle. Make the decision that you're just gonna work hard at everything you do. Number two, consistency. You have to give yourself enough time to actually experience the success of the hard work that you put into it. A lot of the times, we quit or we throw in the towel right before that major breakthrough. So don't have that be you. Now go out there and get your hustle on.
Let's see your talent.
It's about me. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler, homie.